Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. I got this package today in the mail and so excited to open it. This is my first purchase from this consignment store from Florida. I find that there's so many consignment stores in Florida, and I've been following this group on Instagram for a while and I haven't seen anything that I liked, and then finally I saw something. They posted something this week. Actually, it was last week that I purchased it, and I had to get it because it was such a good deal. It is a vintage Gucci. Look at this amazing dust bag. I can't even believe it came with a dust bag, because a lot of times when you find vintage, it does not come with a dust bag, but this one is incredible. So I saw this and I had to get it because it was such an amazing deal. First off, it's in such good condition. It has really no like a lot of times you'll see like a lot of stains on the ribbon part, and there's some like really light ones, but I think I could just take a wet cloth to it and get that out. But overall, this is an amazing condition. So it is a vintage Gucci clutch. On the inside, on the inside there's the price tag, and look how much I spent for it. Can you see that? $90. Woo! So on the inside is just one interior pocket, and what's so great about this, it's not sticky. A lot of times vintage bags are sticky inside just from like wear and tear and just being old, and it's not sticky inside. It's fairly clean. I mean, it has a few wrinkles and things on here, but I mean, this is like probably a 30-year-old bag. I have a lot of vintage Gucci and I love the quality of vintage Gucci. Here is the tag. Yeah, I'm super excited. I mean, there are some signs of wear, like the glazing has some scratches here. I don't know if you can see, but you know, over here there's some glazing issues, but that's to be expected from an older style bag. But I think this will be great for a night out, and I'm thinking what I can do is make this into a crossbody bag by putting a chain in here. So give me 1 second, let me just grab a chain. So, hi, here I am again. I have some chains in here. Let's try. So this is a crossbody chain, and it's not a Gucci one, but it's just a regular, here, let me show you, just like a regular gold chain. You can buy this on Amazon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the inside of the bag and close the buckle, and here you can make this into a crossbody bag. Now, you can't put a lot of stuff in here to make it too heavy, because it's not, the little buckle is not going to hold, but if, you know, just like a little wallet and your cell phone and lipstick, and yeah, I just made this into a shoulder bag. And you can double it up. Let me show you. If you double it up inside the bag and close it, you can make it into a smaller handbag with a chain. So if you don't like carrying clutches, I'm not a huge fan of clutches, but I thought this would be great for a night out. I hope you like this video. I hope you like seeing what I find. And I hope you like following me on this channel. If you don't follow already, please hit the subscribe button down below. You can also follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. And I will see you next time.